Today we are going to talk about diaper bag packing essentials for newborns or infants. I like to think of packing in 3 categories: changing, feeding, and sleeping. You never want to leave the house without multiple diapers, and then a changing pad and a wipes case are essential. Make on-the-go changes seamless and easy. You don't want to put your baby down on any hard surface. Changing pad is really soft. I always like to have a diaper rash cream and diaper rash spatula on hand. You never know when your newborn or infant might get a little rash, so it's essential to have these. And then an easy change of clothes is a must. Babies are always getting spit up on themselves. They may have a blowout, 1 or 2 changes of clothes. For feeding, it kind of depends on if you are breastfeeding or bottle feeding or pumping, but the essentials basically to have a bottle and a burp cloth. And then babies are always napping on the go, so you obviously need everything for their comfort and their sleep. Easy little blankets are a must to keep them cozy and warm. If your baby has a lovey, you cannot leave the house without their lovey. I also like to take a sound machine in case a place is really loud and they need extra soothing quality. And then of course a binky. Baby takes a binky. Also have the Minabe Bake clip pouch. This is really great for storing your binky. It doesn't get dirty and keeps on falling out. But on the exterior of the diaper bag, for easy access. Those are the basic diaper bag essentials. Have a newborn or an infant.